Tomahawk Motorized Fertilizer Spreaders are great for year-round use, not just perfect for spring and summer landscaping and pest control, but also an incredible leaf blower and ice melt solution during autumn and winter. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to get your spreader ready for use. Start by carefully removing all parts from the box, including the toolkit bag. Ensure all components are present and accounted for. Attach the rib tube to the spreader's blower elbow. Secure the rib tube with a hose clamp to ensure a tight fit. Next, attach the throttle tube and secure it to the rib tube with a hose clamp. Slide the throttle control handle over the throttle tube and fasten the base of the throttle control handle with the wing nut. Next, twist the extension tube around the throttle tube, fastening it in place with a screwdriver. Finally, twist the blower tube around the extension tube, fastening it in place with a screwdriver. Locate the volume lever assembly behind the fuel tank. Remove the knob to access the bolt. Push the bolt through the back of the volume control lever. Align the volume control lever slot into place and line up the housing. Thread the throttle cable through the hole in the volume lever assembly and fasten the knob. Press the throttle cable's end into the slot of the volume lever. Move the stop lever down to lock the throttle cable into the lower channel. Move the stop lever up to lock the throttle cable into the upper channel. Finally, move the stop lever down to lock the throttle cable into the last channel. To attach the straps, feed the end through the metal bar and down through the buckle for a secure fit. Fill the spreader's fuel tank with 50-to-1 pre-mixed fuel like True Fuel. Turn the choke to the up position. Press the fuel injection bulb 3 to 5 times, or until fuel is seen flowing through the fuel lines. Move the stop lever up and keep the dust lever down. Pull the engine's recoil starter cord until the engine starts. Once started, turn the choke to the down position. Remove the lid and pour the fertilizer into the tank, being careful not to spill it on the outside. Only fill the tank with the amount to be spread. Fasten the lid securely on the tank. Using the throttle handle will control the speed of the engine, allowing you to adjust the distance and spread of the granules. Using the dust lever, adjust the amount of granular chemicals that leave the tank. In the down position, no granular chemicals will spread. In the up position, the maximum amount of granules will be spread. For the best results, always clean your spreader after use to prevent clogs and corrosion. Regular maintenance will ensure your spreader stays in top working condition. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Tomahawk products, click subscribe today.